In the diagram below, not drawn to scale, ABCD is a rhombus. Now what's a rhombus? A rhombus is actually a slanted square, okay, like something like this. All the lengths are the same, okay. And not just that, this green angle and this green angle, they are equal to each other. So let's say this is 70 degrees, this is going to be 70 as well. And this purple angle here will be the same as this one. So let's say this is 110, this will be 110 as well. And further to that, interior angles will add up to 180 degrees. So 70, 110, 180. 70, 110, 180. Alright. Now CDE is a straight line. Straight line. Angle ABC is 72 degrees over here. And angle CDF is given as 18 degrees. BFD 34 degrees. Find angle X. So angle X is the exterior angle over here. So the way to do that is we definitely will need information about this triangle right here. Alright, now before you start writing your steps, mark this out so that you know that all these angles are the same, or rather all these lengths are the same, and whatever equal angles you have, you can put it down as well. So since this is a rhombus, 72 is here, looking diagonally across will be 72 as well. Alright, so from here we can also then find this angle here. Angle ADE, that's 180 minus 72, because you have angles on the straight line, that will give us 108 degrees. Alright, now and then we can find this blue angle, angle AED. 180 minus 23 minus 108, 49 degrees. And with that we can find angle X, which is 180 degrees minus 49 degrees, 131 degrees. Alright, so that will be the exterior angle over here, 131 degrees. And take note, whatever angle you find, put it back into the diagram, okay, because it will help you for subsequent questions, okay. 131 degrees there. Alright, so part A is done. Next up, we talk about part B, find angle Y. Now angle Y is actually part of this four-sided figure here, okay. So to find angle Y, it will be useful if you can find this blue angle here. Why? Because the sum of angles in a four-sided figure is 180 times 2. That is 360, okay? And to find this bigger angle here, is called a reflex angle, BCD. We need to find this orange one first. So angle BCD will be equals to 180 minus 72, because interior angles of a rhombus, 108 degrees. Alright, so over here 108 degrees. And with that, right, we can find the reflex angle BCD, which is 360 minus 108. (252 degrees). Alright, so over here 252 degrees. And take note, to find angle Y, this is a four-sided figure, 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw it again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 360 minus 18 minus 34 minus 252. Again, if you're not sure why is it 360, this four-sided figure, you can cut it into two triangles, 1 and 2. 180, 180, that is 360. Angle Y, 360 minus 18 minus 252 minus 34 degrees. Answer 56 degrees for angle Y.